This demonstration going to show you how you can have your very own assessment reporting system using Microsoft Excel. The example used on the screen now is DASS12. It measures depression, anxiety, and skills level by using 21 questions here. And it has different scale or different scoring. When this is done, it will show the final result with the recommendation. And the recommendation is able to customize or hint inside here as and when you see it properly. Let's see how it works. I go to survey the questions. Whenever I click on this, I will see the instruction appears on the screen. From a scale of 0 to 3, if I enter incorrectly, example I key in A, it will give me an error and ask me to correct my answer again by having retry. So I can key 0, 1, 2, and as you can see, it will turn a number into a description without having the person to key in the whole thing, and makes the survey question much more easier to complete. Let me complete this quickly. I keyed wrongly. Wrong again. And once I'm done, I can see there's a button here. It says result. When I click, it will bring me to the worksheet. It shows the result. It says my stress level is moderate, and with the recommendation, anxiety and depression is extremely severe. So this is how we're able to get this thing done. If any changes inside the recommendation, the report here will be updated as well. This is how you are able to use Excel by creating your very own assessment reporting system. If you find this video interesting and benefiting to you, please subscribe, like, and share it to your friends and colleagues so that it can inspire them to use Excel more than ever. My name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel.